So thank you for your wonderful feedback on my video. Thank you. I'm glad I'm able to impact some people. And if this is your first time of watching my video, go back and watch the previous one. You will learn a lot. So on the issue of transfer of property by head of the family, this is the thing. The head of the family cannot sell the property, family property as his own property. If he does, it is void, ab initio. If you sell the property as the family property, but without the consent of other principal members of the family, the sale is voidable. Voidable and void are not the same thing. So a voidable transaction may remain valid until the people that have the right to set it aside comes forward. So the property sold by head of the family without the consent of the family or the principal family members, it is voidable at the instance of the other principal member. So if they come forward and challenge the sale, then it is invalid. Yes, so that makes it invalid. There was a case that a man sold a property to somebody. There were 6 siblings, and then he sold the property alone to a third party. That third party sold to another person who now registered his title and got a C of O. When the other 5 children grew up, they came and challenged that sale. And they were like, the buyer was saying that no, my predecessor in title bought from the head of the family. And the trial court said that yes, he bought from the family, but he doesn't own the property alone. The buyer went ahead to Court of Appeal because he was not satisfied. The Court of Appeal now said the trial court was wrong, that sale was not voidable. It was void because there is nothing that says that firstborn was the head of the family. They have to prove it that by our culture, the firstborn is the head of the family. People can acquire the position of head of the family by operation of law. Maybe you go to court for declaration, by election by other members of the family, or maybe the founder or the original owner of the land had appointed you. So it's not going to just be automatic. And based on that, the Court of Appeal said the sales was not voidable. So even if the brothers now said that we are consenting to the sale, it doesn't have remedy. You cannot patch it. You know, when a house is leaking, you can still put some measure, you can patch and patch and patch. But if the foundation is faulty, there is nothing you can do. You have to pull down the owner, and that is how it is if a transaction is void. But if it is voidable, that's when you have the leakages and all of that. You can patch and get the requisite consent. But if it is void, it is void. Nothing can be done.